Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to trade on IQ option with this script. Best script on the market at this time. And if you not join my telegram channel, please join my telegram channel, and the script link on my telegram channel. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. If you not create binary broker account, create binary broker account, link in description box. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I send this script link on my telegram channel. Then open this link and copy this coding. Okay, I can put on Ctrl C, then go to indicator, go to script and create add new script, then paste this script and go to script, and this is the indicator target CFP. Okay, I already add this indicator. When market touch this upper area, market go down. Okay, but you have some trading knowledge. Okay, then you can trade this script. Okay, so let's start it with this script.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.